Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to create per game profiles on your Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. To do that, we have to open the G-Hub software on our computer, then go to Profiles, click Add Games and Apps, let our computer to scan for available games, and if it doesn't find games on our computer, let's simply relaunch the G-Hub application. Go back to Profiles, click Add Games and Apps, and check once again. But if it still doesn't want to find your games, you can click Browse and find your game in the File Explorer. Click Add, and now we have a per game profile. We can also create sub profiles for this game by selecting the game and clicking Add Profiles right here. And then we can change these sub profiles however we want, and we can access them in the top right corner of the interface of this program. And that's how we do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.